Imagine a world where project plans never survive first contact with reality. That's where Agile project management rewrites the rules, turning rigid blueprints into living strategies. Agile isn't just a method, it's a mindset built for speed and adaptability. Instead of marathon timelines and fixed scopes, Agile relies on rapid, incremental progress. Work is broken into small, manageable cycles, called sprints, allowing teams to adapt to fast-changing requirements and maintain laser-sharp customer focus. At the heart of Agile are ceremonies, structured and time-boxed meetings. Sprint planning sets priorities, while daily stand-ups keep everyone aligned and obstacles clear. The sprint review, often a showcase, puts finished work in front of stakeholders for feedback. And in the sprint retrospective, the team reflects, learning how to work even better in the next round. Scrum is a popular Agile framework, managing work in fixed sprints with distinct roles: the product owner, who sets direction, and the Scrum Master, who removes roadblocks. Kanban, another Agile favorite, visualizes workflow with boards and limits work in progress to ensure steady and efficient delivery. Other frameworks take Agile's core further. Extreme Programming, or XP, pushes technical excellence and continuous collaboration in software. Crystal adapts Agile principles to the unique size and needs of each project, emphasizing people over processes. And while Lean isn't strictly Agile, it shares a relentless focus on customer value, continuous improvement, and eliminating waste. Agile's impact is clear: faster time to market, higher team success, and greater customer satisfaction. Problems are tackled early, risks shrink, and collaboration thrives. By keeping flexibility, teamwork, and customer needs at its core, Agile helps teams do more than just deliver projects. They deliver true value, one iteration at a time,